Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a Netflix gift card without an account, step by step, so you can start enjoying Netflix quickly. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Netflix website. Make sure you are on the secure and correct Netflix page to avoid scams. Step 2. On the home page, click Redeem at the top or scroll to the bottom and select Redeem Gift Card or Promo Code. Step 3. Take your Netflix gift card and locate the redemption code. For physical cards, scratch the back gently to reveal the code. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 4. Enter the gift card code exactly as shown in the redemption box on the Netflix website. Double-check to make sure there are no mistakes or extra spaces. Step 5. After entering the code, click Redeem. Netflix will verify the code and apply the balance to your account. Step 6. Since you don't have an account yet, you'll be prompted to create one. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and follow the instructions to set up your new Netflix account. Step 7. Once your account is created, the gift card balance will be applied, and you can start streaming immediately. You now have access to all available shows and movies based on your gift card amount. That's it. Your Netflix gift card is now activated without a previous account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step tutorials.